Hey, how you doing? Patrol police, you're on top of your speed limit.
No, I was following the guy behind in front of me. How fast was I going?
71 kilometers per hour.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't going 71. No. Show me on your thing. I was going 71. Why? Why won't you show me?
Okay, let's just do this the easy way, okay?
I am doing it easier. I'm asking to see proof that I was going 71.
You can ask, and I don't have to show you.
Why?
Safety risk.
No,
Okay,
you could
okay,
show me.
Here's how it's going to go, okay? That you want to go that way.
Don't start raising your voice.
I'm
to
gonna
me.
raise my
Don't
voice
start
because you're
raising
not
your
listening.
voice. I haven't broken the law. I haven't done a crime.
Okay, and you're
Chill the. This is
going to
a,
get arrested
for what?
for obstruction.
For obstruction by asking
I'm going
questions.
to need a 45.
By asking questions. You're being recorded, by the way.
Yeah,
Eh?
so are you.
I'm not obstructing. I'm not obstructing. Obstructing is a physical act. I'm asking a question. I'm asking a question. What proof do you have that I go in 71?
Okay.
Could I see your radar?
For a lawful reason.
Can I see your radar? Can I see your radar?
No, you're not seeing my radar.
Why?
Because it's a safety issue. I already
What's the
explained that to
safety
you.
issue? Why don't you wait for
You.
backup then to show me?
You have your driver's license.
You called backup, right?
Yes.
Good. So let's wait for backup and you could show me your 71 kilometers. I was going the same speed as. Hey, let me talk. I was talking. I was going the same speed.
Taken out of your vehicle.
Really?
And get arrested.
For what?
For
I'd love to
obstruction.
see you take me out of my vehicle.
It's gonna
I'd love to
happen.
see you
It's
take me
gonna
out of my
happen.
vehicle. I haven't committed a crime.
gonna happen.
You want to get violent with me?
Okay.
I'll defend myself if you want to get violent with me.
Okay. You're about to get.
Your threats don't mean to me. Okay, so let's start over.
No, we're not starting over.
Yeah, you're not
You
taking me out of my
you
car. I haven't done
decided to go
anything
this
wrong.
way.
Decided
Put
to
your
go.
hands.
Hey, I'm getting my license.
hands.
Did you ask for my license? Did you ask
You
for
grab for your.
my
Yeah.
wallet?
Stop it.
What do you
Now.
want? What do you
Stop
want?
it.
What do you want? What do you want? Do you want the
Driver's
license?
Driver's
Do you
license
want the
and
license?
registration.
I reached for the license. You reach for your
I
gun?
have no idea what you're driving.
You're an idiot.
You're
a
gonna
idiot.
get
You're a
drug
idiot.
here.
Yeah, for
Arrested.
what? For what? For what did I do? What crime? What crime?
obstruction.
What obstruction? What did I do to obstruct? What did I do to obstruct? Explain to me what I did
Stop
to
it.
obstruct. Explain
You're
to me
not
what I
listening
did.
to my commands. I asked
Your
for your
commands? I asked to see 71 kilometers an
And
hour.
I said
on your
no.
car. Why?
Because I said
Why?
driver's license registration. Hurry up.
You're.
You can have your opinion on
Yeah, I got my opinion about
Okay.
you. You want to play that game? You open my door for nothing?
You reach
You
for that,
opened
you're gonna
my
get
door
yourself
for
in
nothing.
trouble. You're
Really?
gonna get yourself-
Really?
Yeah.
How? You don't have authority to
I
pull me
do.
out of your car. You
You're
check up the law. You.
acting like that. You'll get yourself.
You're, I don't like dealing with.
I
And
don't
you're.
like- Okay, registration. Let's go. That's a good way to get yourself shot.
Yeah.
Reaching-
Is it
reaching
reaching
on your-
for? You
Yeah,
asked me.
it
You
is.
asked me for my license and I got it. You. What a. Here's my insurance.
I didn't ask for insurance. I asked for registration.
There's my insurance. You don't like it, eh? Free speech, eh? You'd love everything to be.
Sir, reach around. Hands on the steering wheel right now.
No,
Yeah.
no. I haven't done anything illegal or a crime. You're not treating me like.
I treat you with respect when I pull.
No,
you
you
over.
didn't. You wouldn't show me the proof.
That has nothing to do with anything.
Yeah, it does.
You can have that back.
Creating revenue for a town. I didn't even speed you. I wasn't speeding.
Reach around.
I reached for my wallet. I reached for my wallet. This guy's. No, he's. I asked. I said, "Can you show me?" There's one car behind me and one car in front of me. We were all going the same speed down the hill, and he picks me out.
I can't speak for him.
No, this guy's a. And then he asked me for my license. I reach for my wallet, and he reaches
Your
for
hands
his
on the
gun.
steering wheel.
You're going to be charged.
You have a relationship with me. This guy's a.
I don't know you, but
Yeah, you know me. True them all. I put
Okay.
you on. True. I put you on YouTube.
Reach around till you get
This guy's. He
okay.
you know me. He's
know.
got a
I
attitude.
know you now. Okay. So there's a process, right?
Yeah. I asked him just to show me the gun. No.
So obviously you did.
So then he's like, "Oh, I'm gonna pull you out of your car." I said, "I dare you."
This situation clearly exposes how a lawful traffic stop can be distorted by abuse of authority. When the driver asked for evidence of the speeding allegation, Officer James Brown didn't explain, but instead resorted to threats, labeled the driver as obstructive, and put his hand on his gun. The notable point is that as soon as another officer followed proper procedure, the tension immediately eased and the citizen's rights were clarified. This shows that the real issue lies in how power is exercised. If you enjoyed this video, leave a 5 in the comments.
What up, bud?
You here to talk to us?
No.
Where are you coming from over there?
Over there?
Yeah, but you were in law enforcement authorized personnel zone.
No, I wasn't.
You just came out, dude. We just
I wasn't. No, I wasn't behind it.
Okay.
Okay.
Where were you over there, though?
I'm not gonna tell you, but I wasn't past it. Why would I go past it? It doesn't make any
You
sense.
came walking up from over there. I'm just
Well, because I was in the corner.
Oh, okay, but
You want to walk over there and I'll show you? Because there's clearly a spot you can stand where it's on this side.
Yeah, I'll walk him over and talk. I'll show you. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Let's go. Why don't you come?
I'm gonna want to talk to him. Only reason we're asking is we've had people over here before.
I've never done this.
Okay, well we're just
So-
asking, man. It's not.
I know, but it's when you can clearly see it. There's plenty of space to stand on this
you
side.
walked up this way?
No, I walked up right here.
No, that's what I'm saying. If you walked up the hill, you mean?
No, I came right here. I walked in this way, and I stood right here.
So did you come from this way?
I'm not gonna answer any questions, but I didn't cross this line.
I understand. Alright. We just want to know where.
Well,
you're
no, I
from.
know you're all right. He just seems like he really believes I was on this side of the line with zero anything pointing to that.
Okay. Yeah, we just want to know what's going on. You know, we've had break-ins and vehicles here too, so that's why we're just asking. That's all.
No, I get that.
All
That's
right.
cool. But I'm not doing anything wrong. Nothing at
All right,
all.
man.
Just this. Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you?
Oh, I'm not gonna give you any ID. I'm not. What would I give you ID for?
Well, you have to identify
No, I
yourself
don't. When do you have to identify yourself in Connecticut?
at all times.
No, you don't. That's great. This is not Nazi Germany. I'm done talking. I'm not gonna answer any more questions. After that, you killed it.
I'm not trying to
You
get
just
loud.
killed it. You
I'm
just
not trying to
killed
get
it.
loud. We just want to know what's
You
going
just
on.
said. You just told me that you don't even know the basic laws in Connecticut.
That's not true.
Yes,
Because if you fail to identify yourself,
We don't have a
it's
failure to identify statute. There's
called
no.
interfering, man.
No, it's not.
Absolutely.
If you're
You got
committing a
smart
crime.
computer, you can look it up.
If you're committing a crime.
I'm chilling. No.
Well, you gotta train this guy, dude. Well, I know, but he doesn't even understand what it takes to get identification in Connecticut. He thinks that you have to identify at all times. That's crazy.
Nope, like I said, we seen you walk out from behind the cars here, so we didn't
Yeah,
know what you were
but-
doing.
And I
So
said I
we're
didn't
just
pass
pulling
it.
We're pulling the footage just to make sure, man.
That's fine.
You're free to leave, like I said.
Well, yeah, I'm definitely not gonna leave. I'm not done.
What's that?
I said I'm not done.
Okay, that's fine.
But-
All right.
Are you gonna?
Yeah, we gotta talk.
You gonna
to
get him caught up on the statutes and stuff?
I'll talk to him.
'Cause you definitely don't.
I was over there, so.
Well, I got it, but you don't have to identify at all times. Thank you, bud. Can I get your names?
Sergeant Wolfberg.
Thank you.
Officer Keeney.
Thank you.
In this situation from the Constitution State channel, the concerning issue is how the cops created suspicion after the initial contact and then used that suspicion to justify their actions. Legal recording was treated as unusual, and ID was demanded without clear legal basis. This reflects a flawed enforcement mindset that needs to be taken seriously.
You can record me. That's okay.
Call your supervisor, please. Call your supervisor.
You, sir, that
Close
you
that
were
door.
on- that
Close
you
that
were
door.
on private property.
Then give me a ticket, then I'll be there.
We
need your information.
No, you don't.
We do need to.
Go get this doesn't belong to them.
You're a Navy veteran, right?
I'm a War Marine Commando.
You are?
Retired.
I'm
Yes.
a Marine as well. And I've
Back
been here for a
off.
long time. I'm not backing off, so let's talk.
No. This doesn't belong to them.
Sir, you are trespassing.
This
on
does not
property.
belong to them.
You just called me to ask you to move.
I'll move over there then.
No, we need your information.
No, you don't. No, you don't. I've committed no crime. Close my door. This is the legal search and seizure. Amendment 4. Please close my door, sir. Please close my door. And don't take my license plate number.
It's already done.
That's illegal. Search and seizure as usual. Go get your supervisor. Go get your supervisor, please.
Go up.
No, go get your supervisor, please.
Okay.
No.
You were trespassing on.
I'm moving over that property and you can call them. I have permission to be on their property.
Then why
Mr.
are
Kelly.
you on this property, sir?
Because this belongs to them.
So he called us and
Who
told
called
us-
you? Who called you? Give me a name.
Okay. The property owner
Of what property?
Abrams property. Okay.
Abrams.
That's
Who's
the-
Abrams?
That's the name of the. That's the name of the report.
Who is Abrams?
Okay.
It's not
You
that-
are
it
on
doesn't
his-
belong-
You're on his.
Then let me move to there then. And you can call Mr. Kelly, who owns the phone company. I have permission to be on that property.
Okay.
on that property outside of the fence line?
Yes, but that tree to that fence, it belongs to the towing company. You can go call them up. I have permission to be there.
Sure.
Please leave me alone. You're trespassing. Move on.
Sure.
So let me move over there. No harm, no foul.
All right.
And then
so if you have permission to be on
that property there,
on
yeah,
the
towing company.
It's Crossroads Towing's property?
Yes, you can call them now.
Okay, that's fine. I'm fine with you going to their property.
I've dealt with this before.
But because you were on someone else's property, that's why we're out here.
Okay, then let me move then. So I'm going to ask you, let me move over there where I'm allowed to be.
Okay. Just so we're clear, though, you are trespassing on this property.
I did not know that. So you can't give me a ticket because you have to trespass somebody before. The owner has to do it personally, in paper or verbal. So let me move over there. Go your merry way.
We will in a minute, sir. Just give us a minute.
I don't have a minute. Then this becomes a Terry stop. You're wasting my time. Let me move over there.
I'm not sure why you got so hostile.
Because I've dealt with this for fucking years over here with you guys.
Talk to you, bud. That wasn't
No, you're not. You told me to get step out of my car for what?
No, I asked you to come outside.
And I'm not going to do that. And I don't have to do that. Legally, I don't have to do that. And legally, you just broke my Fourth Amendment rights by opening that door. I'm not stupid. I know the Constitution. I know the laws. I know the laws of this country. I used to work for Bill Nelson. So close my door, please. There's no warrants after me. You have no reason to be here. I'm not under suspicion of committing a crime. So please leave. Please leave. So I can go move over there, please. Can you close my door, officer, please?
We're making sure that you can park over there. That's what we're doing right now.
That's fine. I don't care.
That's what we're doing. So once we verify, we're done.
And plus, you didn't announce yourself when you come up here, which
I
is
said hi, and I'm
you
trying to talk
didn't.
to you.
You were
You got
supposed to
very
say
offended.
Latimer County Sheriff Department.
Sir, I tried.
I
to
know
talk
the
to you. You got
laws,
very
sir. I know the laws. You've broken one by opening that door.
Okay.
I never gave you permission to open that door.
Okay.
So close the door, please.
No.
You saying no? You saying no? Are you saying no, sir, officer? Officer, hey, I pay you goddamn wage. Talk to me. Go f yourself, dude. You're so disrespectful. You're so disrespectful.
They're going to verify that you can be on the property. We're just sticking loose.
You are so disrespectful. Do you mind closing my door and I open the window for you? I'll open the window.
We're just trying to explain to you what's going on here, okay?
But you have no permission to open my door.
We're past this part. We're talking to you, letting you know what's happening, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
So
talk.
you are on private property here that you don't have permission to be on because the owner called us and was upset that you're out here. Let me finish because I've let you talk and ramble. You can listen to me now, okay? So you're on private property. So what my partner's deciding to do here is he's not going to write you a ticket, okay? But you could be ticketed for being on private property, all right? If we discover that you don't have permission to be on the property at Crossroads Towing, then we will come out and we'll issue you a summons for that one.
Okay, go ahead, because I already beat one summons for trespassing right here, dude.
And if you don't pick that up, I'm going to charge you littering.
I'll pick it up in a minute. I will pick it up in a minute.
Is there a reason why you do that at me?
Yeah, so you can read that. I beat you guys once in court. I do it again.
Very kind to you.
I want you to, just leave me alone. I want to live in peace, so leave me alone.
Okay. Well,
here you go.
If you know what de oppressor means, you know what de oppressor libre means? It means
if
free.
we find out that you're not allowed to be on that property, you will be charged with trespass.
And you'll be charged with... off. Get out of here, dudes. You're just a waste of space, you know that, right? And I will be filing a complaint. Amendment 4, you broke it. So off. You're trespassing, sir.
This encounter shows that the issue wasn't trespassing itself, but how the cops acted before verifying property rights. They opened the car door, demanded information, and detained the person based on allegations that lacked legal foundation. Opening the car without permission violated Fourth Amendment protections and turned a routine situation into unnecessary tension.
My hands are out, officer. I don't have any weapons.
Okay, that's fine. The reason I'm stopping is I paced you doing 50 miles an hour, and when you
I'm recording you, sir.
That's fine. You're being recorded too.
I saw you behind me.
Can I
Okay,
tell
go
you
ahead.
why I'm stopping
You may talk.
Awesome. So at 63rd MacArthur, you were stopped over that solid white line. You got to be before that.
Nice.
And then I paced you at 50 miles an hour and 40. So you
That's not true, but go ahead.
Got you on dash cam.
That's okay.
You have your license and insurance?
This is a rental car.
That's fine. Here's your license.
Didn't the officer tell you he just contacted me back there?
Yeah,
Where
you
the
didn't get
flashing
information.
lights
This is a
are?
traffic stop.
Okay, good for you. May I go for my wallet or may I get out of the car?
Do you have any weapons in the vehicle? That we need
I
to
had
know?
no weapons
All right,
in the
you can
vehicle.
Get your wallet. That's fine.
Okay, I'll
your
get my
wallet.
wallet. We got 2 officers here and another one here. What's your name, officer?
I'm Corporal Bowen.
Your badge
Go
number?
ahead and, get
your
wallet
badge
for me.
number, please. Your badge number, please.
260. Get your wallet. I'm not going to ask you again.
Well, what are you going to do if I don't move quick enough for you, officer?
Well, instead of asking me all these other questions,
You're
just get
gonna
your
what?
Driver's license.
What is your badge number, sir?
Officer Bill's badge number 276.
Very good. You guys are going to be on Facebook. There you go.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
You have your rental agreement?
I do not.
Oh.
It's in my email.
Do you have your? Okay, well then you got it.
I don't
Can you
have
pull
it.
up?
My wife has it, and I can't pull it up
Oh,
because
thought
I
you
got to
said you just
video
had it in
you.
your email.
I have to
Look,
video
you're being
you.
recorded
I'm
off
not
your
gonna
camera
go
plus the
through,
dash
bro. I'm not gonna go
You
through.
understand how rental agreements work, right?
I don't understand how they work.
Okay.
My wife does.
What's your address?
What address?
Where are you currently staying at?
I'm staying at the La Quinta
Okay.
on Northwest Expressway.
On Express.
I'll be leaving there tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm going up to 10 Killer Lake to remodel my 95-year-old father's bathroom because it's very dangerous for him.
Okay. Where do you receive mail at?
I live in Hawaii. You see my Hawaii license, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Doesn't
where
mean
I
that you
live.
still live in Hawaii, though. You know,
That
people
is-
give me a license
Hey,
that
bro,
are from a different state.
I
and
live
they
in
just moved
Hawaii.
here.
You understand? I
don't know your
live in
story.
Hawaii.
I don't know your story.
Okay, and I don't
What's
know
a good- what's
yours,
a
and
good
I'm
phone
not
number for
asking you. What's that?
What's a good phone number for you?
What's a good phone number?
Yep.
Is that required?
That's on the citations and warnings, yeah.
I would
it's
rather
fine.
not give you my phone
That's
number.
fine. You can refuse it. That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Just hang tight for me, okay?
I certainly
I'll,
will, sir.
Make sure this has the VIN.
I'm going to get my wife on the other phone so she'll know what you people are up to.
I can't hear what you're saying, sir.
I'm going to get my wife on my other phone so she'll know what's going on here.
You are more than welcome to do that.
I am doing that. It doesn't matter if I'm welcome to do it or not.
All right. Like I said, hang tight. We'll
No,
be right
I'll
back.
be right here, brother.
I hope so.
Yeah, no This police officer shining a light in my face. Do you see it, honey?
In your car so I can see inside your car?
Do you see that? No, you're not searching my car, sir.
That's not searching your car.
What did you want, sir? Sir, what are you asking me? Because we're making a YouTube video right now. What are you asking me? Gigi, stay on the line in case these Oklahoma cops...
This call is being recorded.
There we go. Hallelujah. Thank you, Mom. This is Kilomana. 4 cops in Oklahoma City have pulled me over claiming I'm speeding, and it takes 4 of them to give me a citation. One is right. Here comes the other one.
Hey, how's it going?
You're being recorded. My wife is on the phone, and she's recording your. So please speak.
Fantastic.
Okay.
You're also being. I just
Okay.
want to advise you're also being recorded.
Okay,
And
I
this
know.
is
The
held
red
by
light means I'm being
Rikers Police
recorded. I know
Department.
that.
Just in case you ever need it, you can also request the footage.
I don't need it. I've got this.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Very good.
Now, may I have my citation, please, and may I leave?
The other officer is working on it.
And why are you here then?
Why I'm here is because I made contact with a woman that allegedly she was driving with you.
Okay,
and that
go
her
ahead.
belongings are in the trunk and that she wants to have them back.
I don't think her belongings are in the trunk, but you're
So
welcome.
what kind of relationship do you have with that woman?
I'm a pastor. I gave her a
What church
ride.
is that? What church is that?
I follow Jesus. That's it.
That's-
I don't do a denomination. Yeah. If you want me to step out, we'll see if any of her stuff is in the
Yeah,
back of
of
my
course,
car.
sure.
All right. Thank you. May I step out?
Of course.
Thank you. Did she say it's back here?
That's what she said, that her iPad isn't here. And her work.
Now, that's my bag.
Okay.
She has nothing in my car. She's a congenital liar.
Do you have anything, again, if I looked?
Yes, I would, unless you have a search warrant.
That's why I'm asking you, sir.
Okay, well, you may not look in my vehicle.
Okay.
I don't have none of her stuff. Okay?
Conversation ended.
Thank you, sir.
Hey.
Good. Have a good night.
Hey,
Be safe
you're not
out
free to
there.
go yet, right?
Be safe. I
not
know
free to
I'm
go.
not free to go.
Just
You're
wanna make
giving
that
me a
clear.
citation. You don't need to
I
make
am
it
not.
clear.
I'm just making
I'm
it clear.
66 years old. I'm very intelligent. I know what's going on here. Okay? Stop looking in my car, sir. You don't have a search warrant.
We don't need one to look.
Well, you're not looking anymore because the door's closed. What did you say?
We don't don't need one to look.
Okay, well you're gonna be on Facebook.
Okay, wonderful. Get back inside your car.
What was that?
Get back inside your car.
You want me back in the car?
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bud. You guys are gonna be YouTube stars. Don't search my car, son. You need anything?
No, I'm just waiting for the officer to finish.
Why are you shining a light in my face?
Because
Because
I
why?
want to see you, and you also shine. Your light from your phone is also shining at my face.
No, I'm just filming you so you don't hurt me.
Okay, sir.
Okay? You got the guns. I don't have any weapons. You've got 4 guns here. People get killed by cops, bro. You will not win this one. You're wrong. Just apologize and ask for forgiveness, and I will forgive you.
Okay.
Okay, what? Are you asking for a forgiveness?
I haven't done anything to you that would.
Yes, you have, sir, and the YouTube people are going to see it. Thank you for your service.
Of course.
Okay? Would you like to ask for forgiveness or not?
No.
Or may I roll the window up then?
You may.
Okay, thank you.
When the other officer approaches,
Yeah, I'll roll it down for him.
Hey,
He's
as long
very
as we're on the
nice.
same page,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Yeah.
Okay? This is going to make a great video on Facebook tonight. What's
Sir,
your
yeah.
badge number, sir?
My badge number is 287.
And your name is?
Like I just said.
I didn't hear it.
Hey, I guess that's why you're recording, so you can go back in it.
No,
But
I
anyways,
need, sir,
if
I
your-
need
if your
to know
goal
your
of the
badge
day
number
is to
and
get
your
a good
name.
footage for YouTube,
Your badge number
I
and
bet-
your name, please.
like I stated before, which is recorded. I already gave that to you.
You
But
have
one
not
more
given it
time,
to me.
So we just end this
Yeah,
conversation.
one more time,
on this.
please.
It's Officer Jakowski, badge number 287.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you done now? Can I roll the window up?
I mean, I was talking to you.
May I roll the window up now?
For now,
Oh,
unless the other
thank you,
officer.
sir.
Yes, of course,
Thank
sir.
you very much. Will you step aside,
No,
step away from
I will
it?
not.
You will not? Well, then I'm going to leave the window down so that I can
choice,
get
sir.
a good
Your
picture
choice,
of
sir.
you. Let me see if I can get a good picture with the window up. Yep, it's fine, bro. This guy is trying to shine his flashlight on my phone so I can't record him while his body cam records me clearly. This is what's happening in Oklahoma City tonight. You see how he's shining his phone, his light right into my phone? Because he doesn't want to be recorded.
This gentleman is shining his phone at me. I hope that's also recorded.
Go ahead, speak up a little louder and it'll be recorded.
Oh, it is, sir.
Or you can get your body camera footage. Now, let's see if he moves his light to shine it right into my camera again, now that I've got him on photo. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. He's looking in my car, hoping he can find something to arrest me. But he won't find anything because I do not use any drugs. I do not drink. I haven't had a drink in maybe 40 years. And this guy is just harassing me. And his name is Sergeant Stadenko, I believe. Correct? Did I get your name right? Sergeant Stadenko? He's looking for, look at him, guys. Look at his beautiful face. Do you have children, bro?
I do.
Okay, well, I hope you stay safe for them. Because this kind of nonsense you're pulling is just that,
Like
nonsense.
I said when I approached you first, sir, we had a call that the woman that exited the car
Right.
was held against her will.
Okay, would you like to see some video of her yelling and screaming?
Please do, sir.
I'm not going to show you nothing.
Then why
but
you
I
asking me
have
if
it
I wanna-
because I have it. I
Okay.
video people when I know I'm in danger of
Okay.
being lied
Okay.
about. Okay?
Okay.
And I'm not showing
I'm just letting
you
you
nothing.
know what I know.
It doesn't
and that's
matter.
why
You
I'm
don't
here
know
as well.
anything. You
Okay.
learn something from a liar.
That's why I'm here to talk to you.
Well, you're not talking
And-
to me. I don't talk to people. Lola, are you still there, honey?
All right, how's it going? Here's your license back.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Awesome. All right, hold on one second before you take off. This is one citation and one warning.
I'm-
citation.
and-
Hold on. Citation is for speed, okay? Speeding excessive. I pace you at 50 and 40. Your court date is October 8th at 6 p.m. You can show up at the court date to contest
will.
the ticket. Hold on.
I'll
To
show up.
Can I talk?
Go ahead.
Okay. to contest the ticket, or you can pay it online. And
I'm not going to pay nothing online. I'm going to court.
If you don't show up or you don't pay it, you'll have a warrant for your arrest.
I'll be there, my brother.
This is a warning for disobey traffic control device. Okay?
Nice.
That's parking over the white line.
Thank you so much. How much money is that again?
That's $95. You have any questions?
Thank you
Have
very
a good
much. Yes,
one.
I do have questions. May I have your supervising officer's name?
Supervisor.
You are the supervisor of this shift?
Yeah.
And you are who? Sergeant Bowen or Lieutenant Bowen?
Corporal.
Corporal, and you're the head of the shift?
Mm-hmm. Have a good day.
Hey, bro, I'm not done. You asked me if I had questions.
There's no more reason to be here.
Okay, see you later, Bowen.
The cop pulled the vehicle over for speeding and crossing the white line, but couldn't provide any evidence. They kept looking into the car and questioning the driver, even after their rights were asserted. Recording video and refusing unlawful checks clearly showed how quickly any authority collapses when citizens know the law. The driver stayed calm and protected their rights. This is real-world proof that the right to refuse and the right to know the reason aren't just theoretical. They hold up even against cops without evidence. We made this video to share information and encourage people to remain calm, act peacefully, and follow the law. We do not condone any confrontational behavior.
Hey, how you doing?
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on the screen. Click to watch now.
Law enforcement authorized personnel zone.
No, I wasn't.
Last but certainly not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who spent months making these videos possible.